There are many ways that you can start your magic circle. There are many tutorials on YouTube to show you how to do that. I'm going to share with you how I start mine. I believe when people share that their magic ring centers come undone, it's because they don't leave a nice long tail to sew back into their work. So if you're going to do this, or even if you start with your chain 4, leave a nice long tail. You can always sew it in and then cut off the excess later. I start my magic circle a little differently than most do. I like to twist my yarn over and pull my tail completely through, just like I'm going to just make a little knot, just like that. I like to place my hook in from underneath so that my hook is in this hole now. Then I pull the yarn through and I twist that knot. I don't know, it just gives it a little nice extra security in twisting this little ring knot that I've made here before I get started with my stitches. And here we have our 4 sides. Now's the time to grab that tail from behind here and give it a nice firm pull, nice and snug. And it's going to close up the center of that granny square beautifully. Look how nice that is.